Hi everyone, I'm Sonali, co-founder at GrowthBI, a modern data analytics consultancy where we help businesses make data-driven decisions with Power BI. Understanding when your data was last updated is crucial for maintaining accuracy and trust in your reports. In this video, I'll walk you through what the last refresh date is, why it's important, and how to set it up in Power BI to ensure your stakeholders always have the latest insights. Let's get started.
The last refresh date in Power BI is the timestamp that indicates when the data was last updated. This is essential for users to understand the freshness of the data they are analyzing. Moving ahead, why is it important? Because it helps users know if they are working with the latest data. It also builds trust with stakeholders by showing when the data was last updated. Additionally, it assists in troubleshooting refresh failures and identifying data discrepancies. Now, let's see how we can set it up and get it working. As you can see, I already have a dashboard with the last refresh date displayed. The last updated date was February 4th at 8:56 p.m. Let's refresh the data and check if it updates correctly. To refresh, let's click the Refresh button under the Home tab. After refreshing, the data is now updated to February 8th at 9:40 p.m., which matches my system time. Now, let's go through the setup process. To begin, go to the Home tab and select Transform Data. Once you select it, it will open Power Query. Since I already have the last refresh date set up, I will first delete it. Now, navigate to Home Panel and click on New Source, then select Blank Query. This will create a new query. In this query, you can type equals date time dot local now, and then open and close parenthesis. Once you have typed this formula, press Enter. After, you will see that the date and time displayed match your system time. For example, my system shows February 8th, 2025 at 21:27. At this stage, the query is just a variable. To use it in our Power BI report, we need to convert it into a table. Click on Transform tab and then click onto Table twice. This will convert the query into a table. Next, we need to change the data type. Click on the icon to the left of column 1. Then select Date Time as the data type. After changing the data type, rename the column to Refreshed On and the table name to Last Refreshed. Once done, click Close and Apply. After applying the changes, you may see an error in your dashboard because we deleted the previous table. Now we need to replace the old refresh date field with the new one we just created. To do this, remove the old field, drag the Refresh On column from the new table into the desired field panel, and ensure that the summarization is set to earliest or latest instead of count. Selecting count will only show 1, which is incorrect. Now, let's refresh the data again to verify if everything is working. Currently, the time is February 8th at 9:44 p.m. After refreshing, the time updates to February 8th at 9:44 p.m., showing that the setup is working correctly. This is how you set up the last refresh date in Power BI. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.